Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to share files on Google Drive. Plus, I'll reveal a much more simpler method that's going to give you way more control over your file sharing. So let's dive right in. So let's start with the traditional Google Drive method. So first you'll need to upload your file to Google Drive by clicking the New button, then click File Upload. I've uploaded my file already here. Now, once your file is uploaded, just right click it, press share, share again. Now you'll see some sharing settings where you can add specific email addresses. So for instance, I could just put joshua@gmail.com, or you can change the general access. So typically we'll start restricted, and this will be only accessible for people who have the link, as well as alternatively, you can also set it to anyone with the link. So this allows broader sharing, and you can basically send this link to anyone and they can view it. Then all you have to do then is copy link and share that with whoever you want. It's as simple as that. But here's the thing, Google Drive sharing obviously has limitations. The links, as you can see here, are way too long, and they're super messy, and you just can't track who's viewing your files. You have limited control over the sharing experience, and also how many times have you seen this screen? You request access, and then for days, if not weeks, you're waiting and waiting. Now, that's where TinyHost comes in. It's a much better alternative, and let me show you how simple it is. So I'm gonna take the same file. I can then give it a custom name, so let's just call it Project File X. And now I have some pretty powerful options that Google Drive doesn't offer. So if we go onto Access Gate, we can see three options here. We've got no restrictions, password protected, and capture emails. And I'm going to explain what each does now. So first, no restrictions, obviously is open to the public. Then we have password protected. So this is if your file contains sensitive information. And then you can also enable capture emails, which basically means that people need to enter their email before accessing the files, which is great for lead generation. So I'll just click publish now, and within seconds, boom, your file is live. Now, as you can see, the link to it is so much more clear and professional compared to the Google Drive link. But here's where it gets really powerful. TinyHost gives me super detailed analytics, as you can see here. If I go onto analytics here, I can see exactly how many people viewed my file, when they accessed it, and even their location data. So try getting that level of insight from Google Drive. Plus, if we go back, I can share a QR code to this link easily and within seconds. And I mean, you saw on the screen, when I say seconds, I mean seconds. This QR code, I can then download, I can forward it to people on mobile. They just have to scan and view. No complicated Google account requirements. And now, if you want to look even more professional, you can add a custom domain. So instead of TinyHost link, you could put something like your website, pointing to your shared content. Now, the best part is everything is hosted reliably, it loads files, and it works on any device without requiring your viewers to have a Google account or deal with your Google permission prompts. So while Google Drive works good for basic file sharing, TinyHost gives you the professional tools you need to share files like a pro, with better analytics, custom branding, and way more control. Now, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more file sharing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.